Hi friends, I'm Sumer Singh, cricket coach at Empower Cricket Academy. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic related to cricket. What is the meaning of cricket? What does cricket mean? What is there in cricket that every cricketer needs to know? What ingredients makes a cricketer a complete cricketer? Why it is important for every cricketer to understand the actual and virtual meaning of cricket. So let's explore the 7 magical words and get into it and find out what ingredients are hidden behind those 7 magical words. The first magical letter is C. So let's peep into this magical letter, that what ingredients are inside this magical letter, and explore. So C stands for confidence. Guys, confidence, and very important ingredient that every cricketer needs to know. It is said that if you are confident, it is half the battle won. The next ingredient hidden in this magical letter is concentration. A very important ingredient that every cricketer needs to have. This helps a cricketer to achieve the target, to achieve the goal, to reach the task given to him, the role he needs to play for the team. So concentration, an important ingredient. The next ingredient is consistency. Guys, we need to understand that for any cricketer to go ahead, he needs to be consistent. He needs to deliver at every given opportunity. The consistency will take him from one level to the next level to the next level. So performance followed by performance is the key. The next ingredient hidden in this first magical letter C is coordination. Now guys, coordination skills a cricketer needs to have. How to coordinate with his own team, how to coordinate with the coaching staff, how to coordinate with the support staff, how to coordinate with the administration, the level a cricketer is playing, and that makes his journey easier. So coordination is the key. The next ingredient is cool. A cricketer has to have a blue head. The next ingredient is calm, not worried, not angry, not excited, quiet. The next ingredient is composed, in control of your feelings. The next ingredient is commitment. Guys, need to understand, a cricketer needs to be committed for himself, towards the game, towards the team, towards the association he is playing for. Commitment matters. Guys, let's get into the second magical letter of cricket, R. The first ingredient that comes to my mind is responsible. A cricketer should take the responsibility given to him. Responsibility of the task handed over to him. The next ingredient is respect. Cricket is a gentleman's game. A cricketer should have this ingredient of respect. Respecting your own self, respecting your team members, respecting people around you, the coaching staff, and respect for all the match officials, respect for the opposition. The next ingredient is regularity. It's very important. The commitment with self, with team, for the game. The next ingredient is resilient. A cricketer should be resilient, strong enough to deal with any situation. The next ingredient is a cricketer should be relentless, not stopping, not changing, going towards the goal, playing the role given to him. The next ingredient is rigor. Rigor in training, doing everything with great attention to details. The last ingredient of this second magical word is reflection. A cricketer needs to understand that he has to reflect on his performance, on his training, the outcome. Guys, let's get into the third magical letter of cricket and explore the ingredients hidden. The third magical letter is I. Intelligent. Cricket is a mind game. Intelligence is needed. The next ingredient is innovative. In this modern cricket, a cricketer needs to be innovative, playing variations, creating variations, whether batting, bowling, fielding. The next ingredient is inspiring. A cricketer needs to be inspired, self-inspired. His presence inspiring the team. The next ingredient is intellectual. A cricketer needs to be intellectual, having a logical approach. The next ingredient is intensity for the game, the love for the game, the craving for the game. The next ingredient is ignorant. Now, when I say ignorant, it's very important. When you're batting as a batsman, a lot of sledging around you, ignore it. You're fielding on the boundary, a lot of sledging, crowd shouting at you, ignore it. And it makes a difference. Guys, let's get into the fourth magical letter of cricket, C. A cricketer needs to be calculative. Cricket is all about mathematics. It's all about the awareness of the game, what's going on. Runs needed, wickets needed, run rate needed. Everywhere it is nothing but maths. The next ingredient is clever. Cricket is a mind game. Whoever thinks ahead controls the game. The next ingredient is competitive. It's all about competition. If you need to excel, you need to know how to compete. The next ingredient, an important ingredient a cricketer should understand, is caring. It's all about care, being gentle, being gentleman. The next ingredient hidden in this is clear mindset, clarity of role, clarity of goal. The next ingredient is clarity of role, clear mindset. The next ingredient is clarity of goal. The next ingredient is control. A cricketer should have control on their emotions, control on the situation, control on their thought process. The last ingredient is character. A very strong personal quality, the quality that makes somebody different from others. Guys, let's get into the fifth magical letter of cricket, K. The first ingredient that comes to my mind is keep going. Keep going towards the target. Keep going towards what you want to achieve. The next ingredient is knowledgeable. A cricketer needs to be knowledgeable, the knowledge about the game, all aspects. Important ingredient, kindness. The next ingredient is knowing your own game. A cricketer should understand their strength, the areas they need to work on. The last ingredient is keen, very interested in something, wanting to learn something, wanting to know something. Guys, let's get into the sixth magical letter of cricket, and that's E. The first ingredient that comes to my mind is experience. It matters. A cricketer grows with his experience, should have that ability of passing the experience to the players around them. The next ingredient is a cricketer should be entertaining, a crowd puller. Important ingredient, a cricketer should be enthusiastic, love for the game, wanting to do something, wanting to achieve something, self-driven. The next very important ingredient is efforts, 100%, commitment to self for the team. The next ingredient is emotional mastery, in control of your emotions. The next ingredient, important ingredient is energy levels, mind, body, spiritual and emotional. Guys, let's get into the seventh magical letter, the last letter of this beautiful word cricket, T. The first thought that comes to my mind is team spirit. It's all about team spirit. The next ingredient, togetherness, achieving everything together. The next ingredient is trustworthy, trusting each other. Guys, the next ingredient that comes to my mind is technical. A cricketer should have that knowledge, the technical knowledge about his skill. Then comes the next ingredient, tactical. The tactical knowledge is very important to achieve success. The next ingredient is thinking, a thinking mind, clarity of the role and the goal. Guys, the next ingredient is training. Training physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Preparing yourself. Guys, the last ingredient of this last magical letter is thrill. Cricket is full of thrill. A game of cricket is not over till the last ball bowled, last wicket taken and last run scored. These above abilities, these above ingredients makes a cricketer a complete cricketer. So I wish you all the best.